Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to deposit funds or add money into Etoro. So first go over here to Etoro, sign in and click on deposit funds right here. Now make sure you set your amount here, so let's say type in 50 euros and then choose a payment method. So I will choose your account, my Etoro money. You can also choose credit or debit card. You can also choose bank transfer and PayPal. So choose your method, add funds to your method and press deposit. Now it will load up and deposit the money into your Etoro account. As you can see, added balance $56. After conversion, press got it, and now your money is added. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.